On a nice day, Dad decided to take me and my two brothers to the park. I brought my dotted toy box. I love my doll and my drum, so I took them with me wherever I go. At the park, one of my brothers started digging to plant a tree. I drew a duck in the paint. My little brother suddenly said,
"Listen, I hear d, d, d. What is making that sound?"
In the park on a sunny day, we laugh and run and jump and play. Brother digs, d, 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 in the ground. That's the little digging sound. D, 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 what can it be? A duck, a drum, or digging a tree? D, 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 come sing with me. Happy sounds from A to Z.
D, 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 dig. D, 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 dot. D, 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 dad. D, 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 duck. D, 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 doll. D, 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 drum.